Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening a copy of your photo in a free editor like Photopea or Snapseed so you never overwrite the original. Adjust crop to frame the subject. Choose an aspect ratio such as 4, 5 or 16, 9 to suit output. Next, correct exposure with a single slider's pass, increase highlights or shadows to reveal detail. You do this first because framing and exposure define everything else. Once the base look is clean, continue refining color and texture. Once base exposure is set, correct white balance so colors appear natural. Shift temperature and tint until skin and neutrals look right. Then move to selective edits. Use local brushes or masks to dodge bright areas and burn shadows to add depth or increase local contrast on the subject. Add sharpening sparingly, small radius and amount, and apply noise reduction only where needed. You do these steps to balance clarity versus artifacts, make subtle, iterative changes, and toggle. To finish, apply a soft vignette or gentle color grade to unify mood, then export at the correct size and format, JPEG for web, TIFF for print, making sure to embed the sRGB profile for online use. Save a layered or XCF file for future tweaks. If you see unexpected color shifts after export, reopen the file and verify the document color profile and white balance. Correcting those typically fixes banding or hue problems. You'll wrap up confident the image maintains quality across platforms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.